Making money online is not the rocket science it used to be. With all the advancement and shift in power given back to the consumer in volumes, I would personally like to share the 3 methods, proven to work and are still working. YouTube. I know what you're thinking, and it's not what it looks like. YouTube is the bedrock, let alone the fountain of money online, because of its barriers of entry and free market enterprise leave you with endless possibilities. When it comes down to it, picking your niche and choosing your keywords is not as important as building your passion based on your niche. Over time, there are amazing softwares that have managed to create videos that you can post onto YouTube, with high resolution and most importantly minimal effort. I highly recommend that you start here to build YouTube channel quickly, then move on to this method here to get a head start in creating your YouTube video quickly. Squad Help. Squad Help is the first place I started out with my pursuit to make money online. I really enjoyed creating many of hundreds of domains to my portfolio and continue to generate my earnings when domains are selling. The naming contests require a domain, too. When you submit an entry to a contest that requires available domains, you would need to submit either an available domain, not yet taken, or suggest one that you already own. There is no cost to submit. If your idea is selected, the team will design a catchy logo for that name, and they will also pay for the domain registration fee. They will then list it for sale in their premium domain marketplace. The best strategy to ensure that you win 8 out of the 10 contests that you might enter is to submit your entry a day before the competition closes. This method is called swooping, and very popular in the domain bidding. This is a great opportunity to build out a portfolio of awesome names and protect your creative ideas from being registered by someone else. Affiliate marketing. This is about as easy as it gets, and I highly recommend that you take this as your first taste of making money online. There are many places to get affiliate products to sell, such as ClickBank, JVZoo, Commission Junction, and several others of that nature. If you want to get the best result in affiliate marketing, Digistore24 is the best place to start. I would recommend that you stick to the intermarketing and e-business section, as their products are of high quality and there is a demand existing complements the market. If you enjoyed this young introduction, please smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. You can also find in the description below the best online money making program to join for free.